As as I was mentioning in my previous video, for the business owners for whom you have already added the businesses, you can view the analytics from the business owner listing. If you click on the analytics, you can view the analytics for that particular businesses, like how many searches has been conducted, how many customers have turned in, how many leads that business has got, all this information from here. Now we'll move on to the next section, which is users. This is a list of users, that is the basic users who come to the site, register as a normal user for posting a review or marked as checked in, all these things. So basically, the general site visitors who come to your site, does search, post a review, or marked as checked in, you can get all their data from this user management section. Next is reviews. In the review section, you can see the reviews posted by all the different users. Basically, in the review section, you can get to see all the users, they have whatever reviews they have posted from here, and there is a status column here. If you want, you can approve it or you can disapprove it. Now what does approve and disapprove means? Approve means if you approve a particular review, that will be shown on the site, and if you disapprove this particular review, then it will not be shown on the site. Also, there is a cross icon, that is for delete. So if you want to delete a particular message or a review, you can delete it from here, like this. Membership, we have already discussed. So I'll move on to the next part, which is API access. API access and iframe access. API access is basically it will depend on your subscription. If you are subscribed as a top level user, you will get this access. But if you are not subscribed as a top level user, you will not get access. Basically, in the API list, you get to see all the APIs available and how the method is being called. And basically, using all these APIs, the user can create a custom website or create a custom mobile application for himself or herself. Obviously, in the custom mobile application or custom website, he can completely have the right to select the look and feel, color combination, design elements, everything as per his requirement, and he can have 100% customization ability in that. Now, I mentioned about iframes and snippets, which all users will get. Basically, these are the iframes that is available here. So user can use this iframe and put it somewhere on the set. The iframes is not coming here. Maybe I can show it from the live website. I think there is an issue with this. I will check and I will get back to you. Okay, now transaction report. Uh, Here you can see the list of transactions made by all the business owners. Business owners can buy searches from your website or your subdomain, and once they buy searches from your website, they has to make a payment. And in this transaction reports, you can see all the transaction IDs and how much has been payment made by the users. I will continue the last part in my next video.